Hello traders, you are welcome to my video on level 2 trading data. So basically in this video we are going to explore how to use level 2 trading data to enhance your day trading strategy. If you've been looking for a way to get deeper insights into market movements, then this video is for you. Okay, level 2 data offers a unique perspective that can really give you an edge when it comes to timing your trades. Okay, but before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more trading strategies. First things first, let us define what level 2 trading data is. Now, level 2 trading data provides you with the order book showing all the buy and sell orders in real time at different price levels. Okay, unlike regular charts which only show you the last traded price, level 2 data gives you a detailed view of the market depth. You can see where the major buy and sell orders are sitting, and this can give you insights into potential price movements before they happen. So why is level 2 data so useful for day trading? The answer is simple. Yeah, it shows you the underlying market dynamics, and by observing the bid and ask prices and the order flow, you can gauge whether buyers or sellers are in control of the market. So this gives you an idea of the market sentiment and helps you make more informed decisions. For example, if you see large buy orders just below the current price, okay, let's just try to, let's open order flow analysis. So if you identify, for example, I'm just trying to get the all right, let's just work with this. So basically, if you see large buy orders below current price, it can indicate that the market might move higher once those orders are filled. So let's break down the key components of level 2 data that you need to understand to use it effectively. First of all, let's talk about the bid and ask prices. All right. Now, the bid price is the highest price a buyer is willing to pay. You can see your bid and ask prices here. And the ask price is the lowest price that a seller is willing to sell. All right. The bid price is the highest price a buyer is willing to pay. And the ask price is the lowest price a seller is asking. All right. So in the case of, executing a trade, the ask price is now going to be the price in which you, the retail trader, is going to buy, while the bid price is now going to be the price in which you, the retail trader, is going to sell. Because you can just say that the broker is the one asking, right? The bid price is the highest price that the broker is willing to pay, while the ask price, let us just, we are bringing it down now to our retail trading, right? While the ask price is the lowest price that the broker is now willing to is now asking, right? The ask price that is the price that the broker is offering you. If you want to buy, a particular currency pair, the ask price is the one that you see on the buy button, while the bid price is the one you see on the sell button. Now let's talk about market depth. Market depth actually shows the amount of buy and sell orders at various price levels. Let's just get this out. All right, so market depth shows you um, market depth shows you the amount of buy and sell orders. You can see this tab here, or will I call it this bar, this pop-up here, representing market depth. It shows you the amount of buy and sell orders at various price levels. So this gives you insight into where the market might find support or resistance. All right. Now, talking about order flow, order flow refers to the stream of orders being placed and filled in the market. So by watching this flow, you can see how large orders are impacting price movement and anticipating upcoming price action. Now, let us talk about how to use level 2 data in your day trading strategy. First of all, spotting support and resistance. Just watch for clusters of buy or sell orders. This can act as support or resistance levels, giving you clues on where the market may struggle to move past. Okay. And then in terms of identifying market sentiment, if you see a large order on the buy side, and price starts moving up, it could indicate strong buying interest. Similarly, large sell orders above the price may signal that sellers are in control. All right. Now, talking about watching for breakouts and reversals, order flow is great for spotting breakouts or reversals. Basically, when large orders start getting filled, the price tends to move. Okay. And by monitoring this flow, you can jump in early before the price explodes. So now here are a few mistakes to avoid when using level 2 data. One is chasing false signals. Sometimes fake orders are placed to manipulate the market. So always verify with price action and other indicators before jumping in, okay? And do not make the mistake of over relying on level 2 data alone. Remember, level 2 data is just one part of the picture. Use it alongside price action and technical indicators to confirm your trade setup. So that is a wrap for this video. Hopefully you now have a better understanding of how to use level 2 trading data to refine your day trading strategy. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all of our trading tips. Let me know in the comments if you've used level 2 data before and how it has helped you in your trading. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.